Hello people, welcome to Gurukula. I'm Jai. So in this video, we are going to take up the question, what is OSI model? What is OSI model is a very important interview question that's been asked in almost all the interviews. So OSI stands for Open Systems Interconnect. So it is a conceptual model that actually standardizes how the communication should happen on the internet. So which is actually proposed by an organization called as ISO, International Standard Organization. So as per the standard, the OSI has 7 layers in it. In order to name the 7 layers, here we go. We have physical layer, data link, network, transport, session, presentation and application. These are all the various 7 layers that is present in the OSI model. And then each and every layer in this OSI model will have their own functions. So the first 3 layers from the top, which means application layer, presentation layer and session layer, together we call it as user support layers, because it deals with the interoperability among the under-related software systems. And the transport layer is directly called as the transport layers, and it ensures the reliability of data transmission. And sometimes the transport layer is equated to the heart of the OSI model. The remaining 3 layers of OSI model, namely network layer, data link layer and the physical layer, is what we call it as network support layers, because it deals with the physical aspects of moving the data from one device to another device. So basically the first 3 user support layers will have interaction with the user, and then the bottom 3 layers, network support layers, will have interaction with the network. Your transport layer will exchange the information from the upper 3 layers to bottom 3 layers, and it manages the reliable connection happening in the network. And then since it is an standard, we cannot able to change the order of this particular layer. Every interviewer will expect you to answer the 7 layers in the prescribed order. So in order to remember all the 7 layers in the exact order, you can make use of this particular sentence. So the best way to remember the layers of OSI model in order is by recalling this particular sentence. Please do not touch Steve's pet alligator. So every first letter in a word will name a particular layer. So P stands for physical layer, D stands for data link layer, N stands for network layer, and so on. So now I hope you have enough content to tackle your interview to address on what exactly OSI model is. So we have seen what OSI model is and what are all the 7 layers, and then the names for the each layers are, and we have also given you a tip to remember all the 7 layers in order. So that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Jai and happy learning.